Imagine building a high-performance mobile app for Android and iOS, then publishing that exact same codebase to Windows and macOS without rewriting your UI. Whether you are a student trying to stand out in technical interviews or a developer aiming to build cross-platform solutions faster, .NET MAUI is a powerful tool. Welcome back to the channel. Before we break down how MAUI works, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We break down complex .NET topics into practical interview-ready guides and real-world code recipes every week. Remember that .NET is a huge ecosystem, and covering everything in one book is impossible. That's why we put together a curated list of 4 essential books to give you a holistic view for interview topics. You will find links to all of them in the description below. With the modern development landscape, it is crucial to be prepared for more than just back-end questions. We have included links to books on Azure development and essential front-end technologies to boost your chances of landing your dream role. So go ahead and check out those resources and good luck with your preparation. So let us dive into today's topic. What actually is .NET MAUI? MAUI stands for a multi-platform app UI, and it is the evolution of Xamarin.Forms, rebuilt from the ground up by Microsoft. It is an open-source cross-platform framework that lets you build native desktop and mobile applications using C# and XAML. Now notice I said native. Unlike web wrapper frameworks that run your app inside a web view, MAUI compiles directly down to native platform controls using lightweight handlers. When you create a button in MAUI, it maps directly to a native UI button on iOS, a native Android button, and a WinUI 3 control on Windows. You get true native performance with one single project system. Why should you invest time learning .NET MAUI today? Here are 4 massive advantages. First, single code base, true multi-platform. Instead of managing 4 separate code bases, you write your UI and business logic once in a single shared project. A single shared project handles assets, fonts, platform-specific code, and app icons for Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. Second, native performance and direct platform APIs. You do not compromise on speed, and MAUI grants direct access to native platform features from sensors to secure storage using unified .NET APIs. Third, Blazor Hybrid integration. If you know web technologies, MAUI lets you embed Blazor components directly into desktop and mobile apps and reuse HTML and C# web components. Fourth, high industry demand and enterprise support. For students, mastering MAUI means mastering C#, XAML, MVVM, and dependency injection skills that make your resume relevant to enterprise teams. If you want to master cross-platform development, master the MVVM pattern and prepare for .NET interview questions, hit that subscribe button now. By joining our community, you will get access to detailed code, walkthroughs, architecture guides, and practical tips that bridge theory and real-world development. To recap, .NET MAUI simplifies cross-platform app creation, saves hundreds of hours of development time, and gives you native performance across mobile and desktop. Drop a comment below. Are you coming to MAUI from Xamarin or building your very first app from scratch? Thanks for watching and subscribe to stay ahead in .NET development, and I will see you in the next video.